If you're a business owner or simply curious about payments, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring digital wallets, how they work, and why they are an excellent option for you to make payments in India. So let's dive in. Before we get into the details, let's quickly understand what a digital wallet is. In simple terms, it lets you store digital money on your smartphone that you can use to make payments. Digital wallets are a game changer for India, and here's why. To start with, they provide a seamless and convenient way for you to make payments. No more fumbling with cash or dealing with complicated card transactions. You can simply use your phone to complete a payment by scanning a QR code, entering mobile number, or using near-field communication. When it comes to security, digital wallets incorporate advanced security measures to protect your financial information. Encryption, two-factor authentication, or biometric authentication like fingerprints or facial recognition ensures that your transactions are safe and secure. Another thing to keep in mind is that with the increasing smartphone usage and the government's push towards digital transformation in India, a lot of businesses and general public prefer digital wallets. Using them will make your payment process simple and easy. Tracking and managing finances also becomes easy. It all becomes digital, generates quick reports, and gives you valuable insights into your spending. It simplifies your accounting processes, helping you make better financial decisions. All in all, digital wallets offer a secure, convenient, and a reliable option for you to make and accept payments, especially with the government pushing for it with tokenization and e-rupee. Do check out Plural to get this set up for your business. So, that's our 2 cents on digital wallets. I hope you found this information valuable. Thank you for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with payments.